Yeah, I'm going to try to take off one of these OEM CV boot clamps. I'm going to pinch these two ears together with these pliers. Hopefully, I'm going to be able to get the screwdriver in here and lift it once I get it pinched together, and it should come apart. This is usually something you want to do with somebody else to help do the prime. All right. There it goes. So now I can reuse that clamp, and with a little bit of know-how and the right tools, something that would generally take a lot more time, or just cutting it off and getting a new one, you can do relatively easy.